Welcome. Forget hours of data analysis. IPMFlow.com's revolutionary AI tool creates professional trend reports in minutes. The workflow begins by selecting a client and site from the Intelligent Site Manager. Next, simply drag and drop or select your existing Excel or CSV monitoring files. Define custom alert levels and rules, which the system saves for future use. Provide background information and specific instructions, like requesting chart types or focusing on hotspots, to make the analysis even more precise. Once ready, start the intelligent analysis. While you see this progress bar, a highly complex process is running on our servers. The system isn't just copying data, it's preparing and structuring it for the AI. Our powerful AI then analyzes trends, looks for correlations, and identifies critical outliers. It uncovers hidden patterns that would be nearly impossible to spot manually in a spreadsheet. What would take you hours, the system accomplishes in minutes, without human error. And here are the results. The AI has completed its analysis. Review the key statistics, the AI-generated summary, warnings, and clear, easy-to-read charts. As you scroll down, you'll see visualizations of hotspot activity and consumption trends. This is the first validation step. Here, you can approve, request modifications, or reject the results. Once you're satisfied, click Approve to proceed to the final professional validation. In this editor, it is your professional duty to read through and, if needed, refine the AI-generated text. After reviewing, you must check the box to confirm you take full professional responsibility for the content. Finally, click Validate and Generate PDF to create the final document. The Audit-Ready PDF is instantly generated, branded with your company logo and details. It includes all data-driven charts, hotspot maps, and the complete expert analysis. Every report is certified by an official validation stamp, proving your professional review. The result is a professional, data-rich document that provides the foundation for audit success. The formula is your expertise plus IPMFlow's reports, preparing you to confidently meet the strictest standards, such as BRCGS, IFS, and AIB. Every piece of data, chart, and finding is logically structured and ready for delivery. All validated reports are saved in your personal, secure document manager for 5-year retention. IPMFlow.com, save time, increase efficiency, and impress your clients.